So guys, we are in we're in an air raid shelter in Stockport actually. So it's pretty much all the same, but I thought I'd give you a little tour. Just grab my light. Just turn this off. Yeah, these tunnels go on for quite a while, to be fair. Now these ones are a little bit different compared to the ones. On the other side of that is the old entry where they used to come into them. So I'll look down there. And that's a toilet, is it? Old little light used to be down there. These actually sockets on the wall as well, some of the walls on the entry.
How about that way?
Huh? I've not really been. I think it just all links. I think this is a dead end, but it goes left here. Yeah. I think these were open in the 40s, I think it was. Not sure when they closed. But I believe these tunnels, there's a few of them around Stockport. I believe they do go on for a mile, what I read. So it's literally just... And that would have been another entrance.
There is a map. No, there's a...
There's a map, is he?
But like a hand-drew one, I don't know if it's...
Ah, right.
I wish it was like an original.
I know, yeah, that'd be cool. I'm like, what's this pipe here? Electric? Ah, probably would have been on the ceiling.
Pretty much. Watching it more metal, shelves and stuff like that.
Toilets.
dead end then.
So that's where it goes around again.
Right.
So you had 3 a bunk. But you can imagine the amount of people would have been here.
Oh, yeah, so pretty much heading out now, guys.
You didn't go very far. Well, I don't know how many beds there were in here, I'm not too sure, but definitely 1,000 or so, maybe even more. What's this sort of like gold? Machine toilets again. A little shower block, isn't it? Let's go have a look. Yeah, toilets. Serving all cubicles. Oh, and it leads through again. Yeah, it's pretty much repetitive all the way around, but it's something worth recording for the history of the place, because it's just so much history here, which I don't know how long it'll be around. It's lasted a good 50 years, but there's a museum near here, and for some of the air raid shelters as well. This will start interesting. Okay, so exit's written in chalk there, so that'll be the way we came in was up there. Yeah, it's a pretty something you have to come and see. There's another look. What is this? A bit strange. It's a water coming in slowly. Seems to go on and on and on. As I said, it is about a mile worth of tunnels, so I do have to try and find my way out. I hear the road. Yeah, so this is where I'm coming up here, but I do want to go and grab some shots. So this has been the air raid shelters in Stockport. Quite a little interesting explore. Something for the history lovers here. But yeah, guys, I'll cut it for this one, and check out all the other stuff I've got on my channel. I've got a lot of farmhouse and stuff which I really like doing. So catch you guys later.